Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video on the View into Huck's World. And today we got another nice watch face for you all to check out. It's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Hopefully by the time this reaches you, it is still free. And if not, trust me, I got more awesome free watch faces coming after this one. All right. Now, this one is a nice one. I like this developer. The developer has been donating a lot of freebies and creating some of the nicest watch faces you want to download in the Gear Manager store. Now, I have to tell you that this one definitely gets my stamp of approval, especially for download. Now, the name of the watch face is called NTV20. In the AOD mode, you're going to get a classic analog look, very nice. But when the watch face is on, the layout, the information, the design is definitely on point with this casual dressed down watch face. And definitely, as you can see, it is geared toward fitness. So up at the top, I like this look, right? It's going to give you your step goal completed meter. I like that look. You're going to get your date over to the left, and over to the right, you're going to get the day of the week. They got it kind of split. Now, down up under the date, right? This is going to be your analog time and your digital time. Now, for those of you all who like 24-hour time, your 24-hour time is in there, so you get the best of both worlds, 12 and 24-hour time. Now, if you go over to your left, of course, you can get your 12-hour time. You come down, you're going to get your step info, calories burned, battery information, and your heart rate information. This is definitely a nice look for a casual dressed down watch face that is going to somewhat, to a degree, save you on battery life with this black background. I like it. Question is, at the end of the day, what did you think about this watch face? Is it a download, or is it a leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't leave without hitting the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell if you haven't, so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I'm going to see you all at the next video. Continue to enjoy the rest of your day and or night, and I'll see you all again at the next one. Take care.